bland or generic or maybe even just flat out wrong? Yeah, it's super frustrating, and we've all been there. But what if I told you the secret to getting those incredible, almost magical results isn't really about the AI at all? It's about you. Okay, let's dive into this. So first, let's just take a look at what's even possible right now. Because some of this stuff, honestly, feels like it's pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. The capabilities are just staggering. Okay, check this out. Imagine you sketch a super rough idea for a website on a napkin. You snap a picture of it, feed it to an AI, and it spits out the actual working code for a real website. I mean, this isn't a hypothetical. It's happening right now. A task that would have taken a whole team of developers weeks, now done from a simple drawing. Or what about this? You could upload, say, an hour-long video of you playing tennis. The AI can actually analyze your form, cut through all the noise, and give you a detailed visual breakdown of your swing. It'll even suggest specific drills to improve. It's literally like having a personal world-class coach in your pocket 24/7. You could even get coaching on your public speaking. Just record a practice run, upload it with your slides, and an AI can give you real, constructive feedback. It understands your content and can give you actionable tips to really nail your next big presentation. So all of this, it seems like magic, right? But here's the thing. This incredible power isn't unlocked with some secret spell. It's a skill, it's a method, and it's something that absolutely anyone can learn. Which, of course, brings us to the big question. How? How is any of this even possible? How do you get from just a simple question to these amazing custom-tailored results? Well, the answer is a skill, and it's called prompt engineering. It's really just the process of carefully designing your question to guide the AI to the exact response you want. See, it's not about just hoping you get a good answer. It's about taking control. It's about being the guide. It's a technique, not luck. And you know what the best part is? There's a formula for it. A really dependable 5-step framework that you can use with pretty much any AI tool out there to get way, way better results. And here it is, just 5 simple steps. Task, context, references, evaluate, and iterate. You can think of this as the secret code for having better conversations with AI. So let's break down what each of these means. First up, the task. You have to be specific. I mean, really specific. A vague prompt like "give me birthday gift ideas" is just going to get you a generic, useless list. But look at the difference when you say you want an anime-themed gift for a friend who loves Naruto. Bam! Now the AI has a clear target to aim for. Step 2 is all about context. You have to give the AI something to work with, some rules for the game. By adding that your friend is turning 29, your budget is $50, and you want something unique, you're building a fence around the possibilities. You're giving it the vital clues it needs to come up with something that's actually helpful. Okay, step 3 is a game changer. Provide references. This is so important for getting the tone and style just right. Instead of just telling the AI to be casual, show it what you mean. Giving it a little snippet of text to copy lets it match your style perfectly instead of just guessing. The result feels like you wrote it, not some random robot. Now, this next one is so important. Step 4, evaluate. The AI's first answer is almost never the final product. Think of it as a first draft. You got to look at it critically. Ask yourself, did it actually answer my question? Is the tone right? Is it missing something important? Don't just accept the first thing it spits out. And that leads us right into the final step, iterate. You have to keep tweaking it. Prompting is a conversation, not a one-way command. So many people just give up after that first try, but the real magic happens when you start refining your prompt. Each little change gets you closer and closer to that perfect result. Okay, so that's the formula, that's the theory. But what does this actually look like in the real world, like in a professional setting? Let's take a look at a few examples of how you can use this as your professional co-pilot. Let's see this formula in action. For an HR pro, notice how the prompt sets a role, you are an HR specialist, and a very clear task. For marketing, it asks for a specific format, a post-campaign analysis report. And for sales, it's all about context, right? Tailoring talking points for one specific meeting. See how each one is specific, it's contextual, and it's totally task-oriented. So, what's the big takeaway here? It means we really need to start thinking differently. We have to stop seeing AI as just a tool and start seeing it as a partner, a powerful collaborator that we're in charge of leading. Just let this one sink in for a second. AI doesn't think. It doesn't have its own ideas or intentions. It just follows the instructions you give it, word for word. A great prompt gives it a perfect roadmap. A bad prompt leaves it lost in the woods. The quality of what you get out is a direct mirror of the quality of what you put in. And when you really get this, everything changes. With a great prompt, you stop being just a passive user who's hoping for a good result. You become the director. You're the one guiding this incredibly powerful technology with purpose to create exactly what you have in your mind. So there you have it. You now have the 5-step formula to go from those frustrating generic answers to something, well, something truly remarkable. The only question left is, what are you going to create with your new superpower?